Okay. Hey
Like
guys.
now it's like more like white.
Hey guys, it's Mr. Walgreens. Welcome to Marshill Films. So if you guys haven't already done it, go like and subscribe and leave a comment on what restaurants you want us to see. But today I hope you guys liked the little sneak peek we had of the International Museum of Surgical Sciences. I love that place. I'm a medical guy, so I hope you guys liked the little sneak peek in there. There's a lot of things I didn't show you, but you guys got to go there and just experience it for yourself. Tuesday, free day, amazing. Go there on Tuesdays, every day, free for you guys. But, go this way. Alright, cool. But, that's not the main attraction today. Today we are gonna go to Crisp. Crisp is a Korean fried chicken restaurant, and we're gonna go there, check the place out for you guys. And it's located on Broadway, and we're gonna get out of this cold weather because my fingers are numb, and we're gonna go into a warm place, eat some warm fried chicken, and just show you guys and bring you guys along with the journey with us. By the way, follow me on Marshill Films on Instagram.